All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. You know, things like mining the coin and staking the coin, using the credit card for BlockFi credit cards, get rewards back in Bitcoin. These 6-in-1 miners, we've been talking about that a little bit. All kinds of good stuff. Drip Network, Piston, bringing all kinds of things on this YouTube channel. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Is it crashing and burning? What's going on with that? Is this going to Mars or is it crashing? We're going to kind of go to their website, their Twitter account, check out what's going on with Dogelon Mars, whatever way you like to say it. Then also we're going to go on Nitro. We're going to hit the Nitro button on the Piston race. I'm going to go over there for a minute and kind of show you that, how we are hydrating it. Make 1%, 365% on your Piston token and your Piston race. And last, we're going to bring at the end, we're going to bring one of those crypto projects to just launch a day or two ago, Sonic. A 6-in-1 Sonic BNB miner. Pretty cool stuff. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, yep, and you know it, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, all the cryptos red right now. Red, 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 red. Well, Dogelon Mars is down about 10%, 9.5% in the last 7 days. Ding, ding, kind of, maybe a discount buy. Down about 2% today. Is this cryptocurrency crashing, burning, going to Mars? Which one is it? Clicking it. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 78.41, down about 2% today. The big thing is there's your 2% look for today, down 2%. But in the last 7 days, that's where it was all the way up here, and it's down here now. So down a tad here. Again, the discount buys for me, 12%, 15, 20%, not quite there yet. Over to the Twitter account, Dogelon Mars. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me, and together we'll reach the stars. Right here on April 16th, Dogelon Martian. Dogelon Mars NFTs, sneak peek. Most liked comments will get a whitelist spot. Time is ticking. Who's ready? So, we got those Dogelon Martian stuff going on. Let's not forget about that. I'm going to go to this real quick. I just like this kind of stuff. Infamous comic. Great Worm has appeared in the Milky Way galaxy where it ate an entire developing planet of mushroom people before escaping through a dimension rift in the metaverse. Whatever's on the other side of the rift needs our help. We'll need to help us. And here's the comic of Dogelon Mars. In Mars, helping everybody out. Look at that. Into the gloomy verse. So I thought that was pretty cool there. All right, we're going to go over to taking a look here at the charts here. So down here, take a look. We got some good purchases. Somebody just purchased $12,000 an Elon recently. There's a lot of green going on here. There's $10,000 in, over here is the actual coins, which are a boatload of them. Was that 12 billion coins or whatever? But another $10,000 purchase here, another $10,000 purchase there, another $11,000 purchase there. Got somebody selling right there. $14,000 purchase. So you got, there's some red there. So here's another 10,000. Here's another 10,000. So, we got some purchases going on here. Everything's up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But again, over here at dexscreener.com, you can kind of throw it in, and a lot of stuff's going on. Checking this out right here. In the last 1 hour, there's been 5 buys and 3 sells. In the last 6 hours, I kind of like to do this to see if there's more buys or sells. In the last 6 hours, there's 27 buys and 19 sells for 130,000 in volume. In the last 24 hours, it's kind of even. 97 buys, 91 sells. Okay. Jumping over here real quick. I'm going to come back to Dogelon Mars, but take a look at this Piston token. Piston, yeah, it launched. It was around $13, $14, $15, and it bounced back down. Take a look at this. The Piston token went all the way down to $7.59. What day was that? That was on April 12th. And take a look at it since then. This thing is jumping real nice. So, Piston and Dogelon right there. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about that cryptocurrency. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about the Piston Token and the Nitro. Let's hit the Nitro real quick. All right, over here, take a look at this. There's right on the front page, you can see that the coin's been going up, 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 up. Piston. This Piston's only been around for about a week and a half. That's why I keep bringing it to you, because I'm telling you, this is going to be a nice little thing. This is, again, one of those, it's like a drip network. I'll come back to that in a second. Take a look. Piston Token started a Binance Smart Chain BSC token built on the best-in-class decentralized technology. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston race. All right, you can swap your tokens over here. You can take your BUSD, and swap it for your Piston right there. I got 256 of them on the side. Take a look at the race here. Here we go. Piston race. Earn 1% daily income until the 365 of your investment is reached. All right, so take a look. I started off with 45 tokens. I'm already at 47. I got this 5.5990. Take a look at all this red here. Let's hit the Nitro. Let's put this 5.9 over into my gas tank. Let's make my car faster to make more money. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Not a financial planner. Do all your own homework. I'm documenting my journey in the DeFi and cryptocurrency. Boom! Nitro has been injected. Take a look at that. This engine is going and going. What does it say? Your nitro is successfully injected, and now your car can accelerate and bring you more rewards at a faster speed. Click at it. Everything's gone here. Where did it go? Shwam! It's over here in my gas tank, making it quicker. There you go. I got $592 in my Piston. Again, these projects only do what you. Some people want to do a lot. Some people want to do a little. Do what you feel comfortable. All right, the Piston Token. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to Dogelon Mars here for a second before I go over that new crypto project. Dogelon Mars price prediction. Elon traders lows as outlook turns negative. This is the crash and burn part here. I mean, they're talking there's a lot of negative going on with the Dogelon. Look at that. 14% of it is positive. 57% is negative. That's not good. That could be a crash and burn situation. So what does it say here? Positives. The positive factors favoring the Dogelon Mars coin price rise is an increasing trade volume. So they have increasing trade volume along with an increasing Google search volume. So there's more searches for this coin and there's more trading going on for this coin. Those are all good things. The technicals too are favorable for Dogelon as of now. Now here's the negative. The social media buzz has not improved. Also, the net sentiment is negative. However, the factors have had less impact on the price of Dogelon Mars. So there's a lot of negative going on. Again, taking a look at this, about 57% negative. Couple key things. You've got a market cap of 136, and it's lower right now. The market cap is 439 M. That is lower. The volume traded in terms of volume is 764 million, and that is lower too. The net sentiment. Net social media sentiment, Elon, it's up 23% in the last 7 days. It's up 35%, so it is higher, which is fantastic there. And here's some price predictions. Tech News Leader, in April, they're predicting that Dogelon Mars can get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 97. Priceprediction.net is saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 11, 12. Do all your own homework. All right, with some negative sentiment and negative things going on out there. Hasn't affected it too much, but it's still out there. Is Dogelon Mars going to crash and burn, or is this coin going to go to Mars? It's supposed to be used for intergalactic travel. So when we're all going to Mars and we're actually taking our space crafts there, we're not going to be able to pay for it in US dollars or euros. We're going to pay for it in cryptocurrency, Dogelon Mars. All right, we're going to go over to Sonic BNB 6-in-1 miner. What are we talking about? This is one of these crypto projects. You know, again, with gas prices and everything being higher, people are trying to look at how to beat inflation. All right, here we are, Sonic BNB. Take a look. There's only 40 BNBs in this. So they did a stealth launch the other day. I didn't really have anything going on with it. I do like it because it's Sonic. A couple things here. You can hit the play button, and there's actually some moving things going on, which is kind of cool. I'm going to put the sound on here. So let's go ahead and do this. Go to their Twitter account. And what does it say? Sonic BNB Online. Sonic BNB Online. It's a new BNB miner. Community works as a team. Daily returns up to 8%. There's an anti-whale mechanism, 12% referral fee. Oh wait, we're live. They did a stealth launch on the 16th, a couple days ago. We have launched. You are extremely early as we're a start launch. No hype, just organic growth. Welcome. So they're not hyping this thing. They're just going to build it. Speed pass, grab some rings, sit back, and get rewarded. Remember, use the referral system. Invite your friends and get 12%. We are live. The stealth launch has started. So right there was no BNBs. Look at that. No BNBs. 0.18 BNB in this thing right here. And I'm actually going to hydrate here and show you how we can hydrate. I got a little bit in there. But I just wanted to bring you this. So it says the launch is tomorrow. It already happened. Sonic BNB. All right, so here we go. The philosophy on this is you compound for 6 days as a community. Everybody compounds. And it's usually Monday through Saturday. And then on Sunday, you actually compound and you take your rewards. All right, so here we go. I have, I only put 0.25 of the BNB in here, so I didn't put a lot in here. Some people treat these like a hand at poker or at the casino. What are you willing to play a hand of blackjack for? $25, $100. If you go to the casino, what are you willing? Again, because these are gambles, these are risks. If they hit real nice, you're going to do real well. But again, you don't want to put thousands upon thousands unless that's your risk tolerance. But here we go. Let's go ahead and stack the rings. Now listen. Cool, they got that going on. They got a little bit of sound, which is neat. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in. Alright, so as you can see right here, my BNB actually went up here, which is fantastic. So now it's actually been hydrated. When I go to sell on Sunday next week, I'll go ahead and I'll sell my rings and it will go into my wallet. So again, you got the Sonic BNB here, which is fantastic, everybody. So a lot of good things going on. Dogelon Mars, crash or burn. You tell me, what are your thoughts on everything there? A lot of people like this coin. A lot of people are buying it. Whales love to buy this coin. I went on and showed you those charts there. $10,000, another $10,000, $12,000. So there's a lot of big purchases for Dogelon Mars. So tell me if you like it or you don't like it. Don't forget to hit the like button. The Piston Token, we hit that Nitro button. You got to see that. Get 1% back, 365%. And these new 6-in-1 miners, I'm bringing one to you every single day just to kind of let you know about it. Again, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. Click over here to see our most recent video. And click over here so you can learn about Drip Network. Get 1% back, 365. All right, everybody. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.